In this video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an Excel document into a PDF. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First things first, you'll want to open up your Microsoft Excel application. Just open up the Excel file that you're looking to convert. It's important to have your file ready and reviewed because any changes or updates you want should be done now before the conversion. Once your file is open, take a moment to ensure that everything looks the way you want it to appear in a PDF format. Formatting might display differently in a PDF, so double check those margins and fonts. Next, we'll need to go to the File menu located at the top left corner of your screen. Click on File. Doing this will bring up a menu with several options related to managing your documents, such as opening, saving, and printing. This menu is where your file, save, and export features will be. After accessing the File menu, you'll want to click on the Save As option. This choice is crucial because it allows you to choose the format in which you want to save your document. When you click Save As, the software will ask you for a location to save the converted file, so make sure you know where your computer saves files by default, or choose a folder that is convenient for you to find later. Now, here's the critical part. Look for the field labeled Save As Type. You'll see a list of different file types you can choose from. Click on this drop-down menu and you'll find PDF as one of the options. Select PDF. This is the format that you're going to convert your Excel document into. Choosing this option ensures that your document maintains its formatting and can be easily shared or printed without issues across different devices. Finally, once you've selected the PDF format, all that's left is clicking the Save button. When you click this, Excel will work its magic and convert your document into a PDF. Depending on your file size and your computer's speed, this might take a few seconds. Don't worry, it won't be long. Once the conversion is complete, you can navigate to the folder where you chose to save your new PDF file and open it to check everything is in order. And there you have it, your Excel document is now a polished, shareable PDF. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching.